Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RamaeInc, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna start off with showing you guys how I styled my hair. As you can see, Ramee hair collection, y'all already know the freaking vibes. Wigs starting at $150 if you're interested. So I'll leave all that information down in the description box below. Sorry my nails keep clacking together. I'm also going to be showing you guys this nice apartment that I looked at in Midtown as well. So I will insert that footage as well if you guys are interested. Let's keep on watching and let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, all that. So yeah, let's go. All right, so I'm using this 24-inch wig from Ramee hair collection. This is the Aradine unit. However, I do have wigs starting at $150 on my website. I bought 4 boxes of hair dye, and I also got some hair clips and scissors, as well as a brand new Conair curling iron. So I just laid my hair down on the ground so I could go ahead and get started dyeing it jet black. Afterwards, I put it on my head to see how I like the fit, see where I want the part to be, and to check out that lace. So after I put it on my head, I decided to cut a piece of the lace so I could tint it this color that I've been using for my lavender wig. I put that tint all over the lace, and then I put the wig back on my head. I like to try to lay my lace down when I have a middle part. That way I make sure that I get all them edges secured. So I went ahead and started putting down some glue onto my head. I put on a very thin layer to the middle first, as well as going over it with some freeze spray, and then trying to work that lace into this forehead, honey. Yes. So right now I'm just trying to get this lace into this head. I do the same things on both of the sides of my head, and just making sure that it is very secured, sweetie. So after I did that, I decided to cut the middle part first and then do the edges. I already did my baby hairs here, but I'm just running my flat iron through my hair just to see how I like that look. So yeah, I'm styling my hair with this flat iron first, and then I'm gonna go in with my curling iron. I don't think I showed the footage of when I put layers into this hair, but I did add layers. So I put the curling iron on the highest setting, and then I just started curling my hair. And you know, since I did flat iron it, I had to use the clamps to try to get that curl to hold, like shown right now. So yeah, I'm just repeating the steps for curling my hair, just curling it, trying to hold it, and using that clamp to really lock in that curl. So yeah, I just repeat the steps throughout my entire head, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little look, hopefully, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm really working with in a second. Hold on. Alright you guys, so I'm done with my hair, and to be honest, like I said earlier, I don't really feel like leaving my house. I just want to tidy up, work on my business, and I need today for myself, honestly. So that's really what I'm going to be focusing on. I will actually go ahead and include the footage of me looking at an apartment the other day with my friend Matthew. So if you're interested, please be sure to keep watching. I like this apartment a lot. It's a little bougie. It's a little bougie. Alright, hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just decided to just get out the house a little bit. I'm off today, and it is really gloomy and really rainy outside, but I wanted to look at a few more apartments or townhouses, and I just wanted to ride around Atlanta, get some food and all that good stuff. I'm going out with my friend Matthew, so you guys will meet him in today's vlog. But yeah, I don't want to make this intro way too long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a like if you like videos of this sort, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Alright, so just got the shower. I'm lying, I didn't just get out the shower because baby girl still got a beat face. Okay, I got the shower, did my makeup. I wanted to show you guys my nails. Look, ooh, so cute. Let me go ahead and throw on some clothes, and I'm gonna call Matthew to see where he is at. FaceTime Matt.
Making a FaceTime call to Matt.
You brushing your teeth? What in the world? Matthew, it's almost 2 o'clock and you just not brushing your teeth?
No, know where the time went.
You don't know where the time went? You was just chilling? I need you here by 2 because it's gonna take a minute to get there, and these places be closing at like 5 o'clock.
Alright, I'm gonna be on the way.
You gonna be here by 2?
2:05.
Y'all, I went back to my old wig. I've had this wig for over a year now, and I'm like still in love. I cut it to try to do that little mid-length look. But yeah, shop Ramee hair collection if you don't know already. Like, what are you doing? I need to find something to wear, so that's what I'm about to do right about now. Okay, so right now we are in location number 1, and one thing that really took my breath away was the outdoor space. Y'all see all that space? Oh my gosh, this back patio is humongous. All I could think about was all the types of things I could do out here as far as decor and entertainment. I do wish I had a little bit more space on the inside, but you know, it's cool, it's minimalist, it's cute, it gets the job done. This particular model is wheelchair friendly, which is why the microwave is on top of the counter. I did have to ask about that because I was like, what is going on? So this is a 2-bedroom place. I would use this first bedroom right here as my office space, and yeah, I'll use my living room, and then here is the bathroom. Hey guys, what is up? Oh yes, so really good lighting in the bathroom actually. So this place is very minimalist, don't have much to really say. I feel like you can do really simple and cute in there. We are looking at the furnished model of that place. So this furnished model has wallpaper all over, which is something that I really like and something that I'll actually incorporate into my new place. So you walk in, and this is the living space area / kitchen. Love the way they decorated it. And the view, you just see more apartments right across the street. Not that great of a view, but you do get good windows. This is the 2-bedroom as well. And you see how they kind of did different types of wallpaper throughout the apartment. In this bathroom, you get double sinks. It does have a shower. The one thing about this place is it did not have a tub in either bathroom, but that is a-okay with me. Not really, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. So back to the kitchen area. Don't really have much to say. Like I said, kind of small but minimalist, so you can make it look chic and cute and simple all at the same time. Okay, so next thing we're gonna look at is the amenities. Yes, the amenities, the place where your money is going. Okay, so it has a gorgeous rooftop, gorgeous view of the city, nice pool and entertainment space. When I tell you guys, this view is just so inspirational and so motivational. Like, your girl will be pushing out content for days. Okay, double upload me, sweetie. He showed us the high lounge, and as you can see, there's more space outside when you look through the windows for entertainment, more games and stuff to do, different sections to branch off into, and great photo ops. So definitely some pluses up there. I feel like in the summertime, this will be so dope to just spend your time outside of the house. Also, he showed me the gym, and your girl might be getting in the gym. Y'all see these colorful weights? I love these colorful weights. So yeah, I might get in the gym and do a little some. Next, we are going to our next location, and I won't even lie to you guys, this place is a little bougie. They did not let me record, but your girl had to do what she had to do to get the footage. So I tried my best to get some good footage of this place, but just bear with me, y'all. This lady was just not having it. she was like, wasn't having it. But I tried my best. So this is one of the bathrooms. Marble tub, decent tub, marble shower. Love the shower. These closets were everything. They had so much space, so that made me super happy because I have a lot of clothes. Even the guest closet had so much space. It was just so tall and deep, and I loved it. So here is one of the bedrooms. I really couldn't tell which was the master and which was the guest, to be quite honest with y'all, but you know, yeah. So this is the other apartment. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.